Good morning, dear students. Today we will do page number 82 and this is assignment 1. Till this time we have done chapter number 7 complete and today we will going to do page number 82. And first of all, that is comprehension is given to us. So these are the comprehension. Patrick had to work harder than ever and he had to stay up late at nights. He had never felt so weary. Every day he went to school with his eyes puffed and blurry. These are the assignment that you yourself have to do. Means we have done the chapters thoroughly. We have done the question answers. From that chapter only these assignments come, and this is the work that you should do yourself. So this time you do this work yourself. I just help you. I will not give you any written work for this. I will just suggest you and you will write yourself the question answers, because these are the work that we have done earlier. Okay. So first question is, who made Patrick work so hard? So we can tell that who made Patrick work so hard? Elf. Because Elf himself did not do any work. He always shout on Patrick for the work. So Elf made Patrick work so hard. This is the answer. Then what did Patrick do till late at nights? अब पैट्रिक जो है वो लेट नाइट तक क्या करता है? पैट्रिक हैड टू वर्क हार्डर देन एवर एंड ही हैड टू स्टे अप लेट एट नाइट्स. तो इसको हम आंसर में कैसे लिखेंगे? पैट्रिक हैड टू वर्क हार्डर देन एवर, सो he do his work till late at nights, or he did his homework till late at nights. Okay. What gave him blurry eyes? अब blurry eyes क्यों हो गई है उनकी? So because he can't sleep at night, because he have to done a lot of work, so he does not sleep in the night. That's why he has blurry eyes. Which word here means very tired? कौन से वर्ड का मतलब है यहाँ पे very tired? बहुत ही थका हुआ जो वर्ड है, ये कौन से का मतलब है? सो यहाँ पे हम बोलेंगे जो weary है, weary means so tired, बहुत ही थका हुआ. ओके. नेक्स्ट इज, व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय द वर्ड पफ्ड? पफ्ड का मीनिंग क्या होता है? पफ्ड मीन्स, पॉपकॉर्न होते हैं ना, वो पफ्ड होते हैं, मतलब वो एक्सटेंड हो जाते हैं, फूल जाते हैं. ऐसे ही जब नाइट में सो नहीं पाते हैं तो जो हमारी आइज़ होती हैं वो पफ्ड हो जाती हैं, स्वेलिंग हो जाती है उनमें. इसलिए व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय द वर्ड पफ्ड? पफ्ड मीन्स स्वेलोड, swelling. So these question answers you yourself will search. We already have done this work, so you do in your English notebook this assessment 1. Then I will check you whether you have done right or wrong. Name the lessons from which these line have been taken. अब आपको वो लेसन का नेम बताना है जहाँ से हमने ये जो लाइन है ये ली हुई है. राइस, करी, डोसा, सांबर. दिस लाइन विच चैप्टर इज़ फ्रॉम? यू हैव टू राइट द लेसन नेम हियर. ओके. सो वी हैव टू राइट द चैप्टर नेम हियर. यू सर्च आउट द प्रीवियस चैप्टर एंड see the book exercise, then you will find this rice, curry, dosa and sambar. We have done this. So here you will write the chapter name. Then don't give me back to that cat. This chapter is, so you will write here chapter name and number also. Please take me across the river. This line we have to write from which chapter this line have come. So you will write the chapter name here. In spelling bee, there are two teams. Which chapter? You will search out this line is from which chapter and you will write the chapter name here. They add a lot of calories to your diet. This is also from one chapter, so we'll write the chapter name here. If ever he talks to me, he speaks very roughly. If ever he talks to me, he speaks very roughly. You also write here chapter's name. In a chasing game, the player who chases is called it. These are the lines. To search out these lines, you have to go through from the chapter. So that is very good exercise. Once again, you will revise your chapter. So find out these lines from the chapter and then write in front of the statement, chapter's name. Then match the poem with the poet. You have to match the poem and the poet also. Dog lovers. See the chapter dog lovers and search out their author name. Then do the matching. All things bright and beautiful. Author name is given at the last line. Then you will search out the author name and you will match it. Then make your mind up. Of course, you also have the author name. Then you will do the matching. So do this exercise, that is on page number 82 yourself, and then when we will meet in the school, I will check your work that whether you have done it right or wrong, because assessment is the work that you yourself will be doing.